Magandang tanghali po pala yan. Magandang tanghali sa ating mga kababayan. Alam mo, kami po ay, alam po ninyo, kami ay naimbitahan dito sa Villanegro. At napakaganda po dito mga kapamilya. Kung hindi pa kayo mga kalalawigan, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapunta dito, aba ay bisita na po sa kanilang masarap at napakagandang restaurant. The view is so amazing, fantastic. Kailangan ko lang magsalita ng English ngayon because our guest ay Italiano. So magandang araw po sa inyo. So kita nyo naman po ang ambience natin. Napakaganda. Actually may kwento dyan si Erap. Mamaya ko naakwento sa inyo yung tungkol sa ambience ni former President Erap. Nandun na yung team, nag-set up na po sila. So basically ito yung Gio, I wasn't able to ask pala. How many person can accommodate your resto?
44 right
resto.
now. 44 seat. Yes.
So apart from here, there's
yes, there's a down is bigger actually.
Okay, all right.
Like,
so by the way, we're live in
okay.
Marinduque News. I'm doing some live vlogging.
Hi everyone.
Hi, this is G, the owner of this resto.
Yeah, with my wife.
Yeah, well, of course with Melody. We're gonna have some interview later. But from now, hi Blair! Blair is watching!
Hey Blair, how are you? Nice to see you.
See.
Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka daw? Natatakot na ako kasi baka mahirapan ako sa pag-interview sa kanila pero naintindihan naman.
Walang problema na.
Walang problema.
Tagalog na lang.
Naintindihan wala ni Gio. So later,
konti na lang.
Hindi
marunong. Konti.
Pero nakakaintindi.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes.
So, i-tour mo naman kami. Can you tour us in your restaurant? Like,
yeah, sure.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
pero
this is the
I don't want to preempt our interview later.
Yes.
But since
just go around. Okay.
So
Yeah,
basically,
yes.
basically this is the view when
just the view in the entrance basically.
Mm-mm.
And then we have all the Italian wines in the wine chiller. And all the fresh cheese imported from Italy.
Here.
Yes.
By the way,
yes.
Blair mentioned this is Don Gio.
Don Gio. No, I'm just Gio. So
Yeah.
we have all Italian product imported here. And the kitchen is in the back, and we can go downstairs.
All right, but I don't want to go to the kitchen because
we'll go downstairs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Our staff already took some video,
Yes,
and
yes.
it will gonna be presented in our interview later. On Saturday because that's the airing time. Ang hirap pala din. English.
So this is
this is yes. Mas ang ganda rin dito pala. So dito basically guys, yung pangalawang basement.
It's like lower ground.
Lower ground. Lower ground and upper ground. So nandito kami sa lower ground dito Villanegro.
And the view is the same because they're both facing the
maganda. Super amazing.
Here just a CR, so
the bathroom
and washing area.
Ang ganda po ng kanilang hops. Nandito kami ni Gio. Hi Gio. Hi everyone. Ito ang men and women bathroom CR. Okay.
This is for selfies.
Po. Hello. Ang ganda dito. Actually, it's my first time. There's so many what do you call that? I supposed to visit here.
Yeah, medyo malayo.
Few weeks ago, apparently, ang dami ko pong ang tagal na rin akong iniimbitahan ni Melody to go here. Apparently, there are so many things to do, but I'm so lucky and happy because I was able to meet you here. And he's very accommodating. Yan.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, ang ganda. So, ito ito dito yan, Gio.
Yes, this is all
in Italy.
Pictures that we collect from Italy, from Greece.
When I look that area, it's similar. Look.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Look that area.
Yes, exactly.
It's similar in Capri, Italy.
That's why we got this picture from Italy because we aspire.
I see.
This is Capri. This is Santorini, Greece.
Yeah, Santorini.
And the whole place they're similar.
Yeah,
to
wide.
Marinduque.
Yeah.
This is Cinque Terre in North Italy.
Uh-huh.
This is Venice, and then Como Lake, and then Amalfi that is very similar to Marinduque actually. It's just a different development.
Yeah. There are so many infrastructure there.
Yes. It's just more developed, but the landscape is very similar. So that's our inspiration.
Gio is a real estate or an engineer. What's your profession basically?
I'm mostly in real estate and in BPO industry.
Oh, okay.
So this is my wife word, the restaurant, not me.
And he's very supported with his wife. So later and during our interview, tatanong po natin sa kanila yung mga papaano niya sinusuportahan yung kanyang asawa, si Melody, para mas maging matatag at mayabong itong kanilang negosyo. It's just a new business. It's actually a pandemic baby business.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So kakatayo lang po
from passion.
From passion, yeah. From the heart.
Yes.
Yeah, from the heart. So we will be getting some information about the company, about this restaurant, and as well we will learn also their love story on and watch po yan sa aming episode on Saturday. Oh, ayoko mo nang i-preempt kasi baka wala nang manood ng ating interview on Saturday. But yeah, please stay tuned because later on magkakaroon na kami ng panayam kay Gio, and ito yung lower ground kay Gio and kay Melody. So yan, diretso po kita dito sa ating that's si Melody yan. Ang ganda.
Address.
And then ito ang mga crew. And si Carol. Hi Carol. I miss you, Carol.
Kamusta?
Yeah, kumusta? Nandito na pala si Carol. So, ating mga business permits, etc. And nandito na makikita yung kanilang mga wine. Oh!
Whiskey.
Buy your premium single malt bottle. Enjoy it here, bring it home, or keep it here to enjoy it on your next visit with this very beautiful ambience.
Yeah, we keep the bottle of whiskey or premium whiskey for some VIP client that want to reserve their
Bishop
bottle.
Juni,
Yes.
reserved for Bishop. Oh,
Yes.
I was with Bishop yesterday because we've attended our community service in Bokbok Mugpog. Hi Bishop.
Hi, Bishop.
Say hi to Bishop.
Very supportive.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Oh, tapos, Mr. Jan, oy, kay Kuya Jan, the husband of Ate Lori. Oh, ay, Doc Bacoro, also. Oh, I wish I could have one there. Joke lang. I am not prominent. Ito si Rachel, I've already met Rachel. Oh, Rachel, imbitahan mo yung mga kababayan natin na bumisita dito. Dali. Dalo mo pahiya-hiya. Game.
Punta na po kayo din sa Bella Negro Cafe. Maganda po yung view dito at saka masarap po yung pagkain.
Yeah.
At may enjoy po ninyo.
Yeah, at mas masarap ka daw. Alright, so guys, looking forward kami na makabisita po kayo dito at ma-experience nyo rin ang mga masasarap na pagkain na talagang Italiano,
Yes, authentic Italian.
Authentic Italian. Oo. So sana po ay makabisita kayo. Sabi ko nga kanina, pinag-uusapan namin yung costing, yung price, and true enough, worth it because yung kanilang reserving authentic Italian food. Kaya sabi nga ni Gio kanina, as I learned from him, galing pa daw talaga sa Italy yung mga ingredients na mostly.
The fresh is from the local. We try to support locals.
But one of the best thing that I learned from Gio is yung mga other ingredients dito na po pwede naman dito sa Marinduque, they're supporting local.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. So, sige, before my live vlog
See you Saturday in the interview.
Yeah. Imbitahan mo muna sila kasi I don't want to preempt and I wanted to ask some of my questions. So, please invite our listener and sa mga nanonood and follower natin dito sa Marinduque News Network. Go ahead, Gio.
Yeah, I will wait in the interview. We're going to explain everything about this place, about me and my wife Melody, and I hope you will enjoy.
All right.
Thank you.
Some words.
Let's eat.
Oh, true enough because my time is getting Gutom na. Okay guys, see you po tomorrow. Tomorrow hindi. See you on Saturday. And muli po pinapakita ko napakagandang view ng Villa Negro. Talagang sabi nga, actually may kwento yan eh. Pero may kwento yung si former President Erap Estrada. So you know Erap Estrada, Joseph Ejercito Estrada. He's the president of the Philippines. Oo, kumain daw sila sa ganitong they ate in a fine dining restaurant. Tapos kasama niya si nag-ano muna ako, nagjo-joke po. Kasama niya si yung kanyang mga anak, Jinggoy, at saka sino ba yung isang anak niya na sikat din. Nakalimutan mo yung isa. Kasama niya doon, yung isang anak niya, nagkain sila, masarap ang serving, truly fine dining talaga. And then eventually, kasama din yung mga guard ni Erap. And then eventually, hiningi na daw yung mag-bill out na daw, sabi, Jinggoy, hingin mo na yung bill. Oo. Tapos, pagtingin daw ni Erap nung ang mahal daw, ang laki daw ng babayaran. Sabi, bakit ang mahal nito? Ang laki na ating babayaran. Sabi daw ni Jinggoy, Daddy, hindi naman pagkain ang in-order natin dito. We not just order the food. Ang binabayaran natin dito, yung ambience. Tapos sabi daw ni Erap, tumingin siya, stared dun sa mga kasama niya, lalo-lalo na sa mga gwardiya. Sabi na, Jinggoy, sino bang nag-order ng ambience? Who ordered ambience daw? Who ordered ambience daw? Yan, that being said, ako po ay magpapaalam ng mga lalawigan at mga kababayan kong mahal dito sa probinsya ng Marinduque. Magkakitan at magkarinigan po tayo this coming Saturday dahil tampok po natin ang tagumpay.
Bye!
Ni Gio and ni Melody sa kanilang Villa Negro. God bless everyone! Bye-bye! Yan.